Hello all, let's start with the new chapter, Food, Nutrition and Health. First of all, whatever we are eating through food or your mother is cooking, at times various nutrients they are lost during cooking and they are not reaching to our body to overcome the several deficiencies. So let's see how to retain the nutrients during preparation of food. Wash the food before peeling, because after the peeling if we wash the food, then many vitamins they get leached off. Lightly peel the fruits and vegetables because all the vitamins they are just laying under the peels. Don't wash fruits and vegetables after chopping. Wash pulses and rice only twice, otherwise we are going to lose the vitamins from them. Chop vegetables in large pieces so they are exposed to the atmosphere in a controlled area. Don't chop vegetables in advance because they come in contact with the oxygen and there we are going to lose the vitamins like vitamin C. Chop vegetables when they are needed and using the flour containing bran because it consists of fiber and B complexes. Now we talk about food nutrient health nutrition status. There are various definitions. Anything solid liquid which is taken through mouth and it provides energy or it provides nutrients in the body to overcome the deficiency is called food. What are nutrients? Food is made up of certain chemical substances which enter in our body and they perform several functions. These constituents are called nutrients. What is nutrition? The process of taking food in right quantity to keep the body healthy is called nutrition. So, nutrition means ingestion of food. When the food is ingested, it is digested inside the body. When the food is digested, it is absorbed, assimilated in the body, and then the absorption by the cells takes place. Various types of nutrients. There are carbohydrates, which we get from cereals, roots, and tubers. Proteins, which we get from milk, pulses, egg, meat. Fats, from oil, nuts, ghee, cheese. Minerals, from fruits and vegetables. Vitamins, from fruits and vegetables. Example of mineral is iron, iodine, calcium, phosphorus. Example of vitamin is vitamin C, B complex is there. What do we mean by health? Health is a state of complete physical, social, mental well-being and it is not usually the absence of disease. This is the definition which is given by WHO. Nutritional status. It is the condition of body in retention to consumption and digestion of the food. A nutritional status of the person is having the following features. Well-developed body. Ideal weight should be there. Good muscle development should be there. Mental and physical alertness of the person should be there. Ability to resist the disease with a good nutritional status. Smooth skin, glossy hair, bright eyes, and increased lifespan with a good nutritional status. Now we talk about the food and its various functions. First, psychological function. The food is attached to the psychology. When we are happy, we tend to eat more food. When we are sad, we stop eating the food. The mother shows her love and compassion by serving hot food to her children. Physiological functions of the food include there are 4 types of food: energy giving, then growth and development or bodybuilding type of a food is there, protective food is there, and regulatory food. Let's talk about one by one. Energy giving food, the food which provides carbohydrates to the body. Example, wheat, rice, maize, potato, sugar. They are essential for the survival. Under the energy giving food, carbohydrates 1 gram gives 4 kilocalories of energy. Fats 1 gram gives 9 kilocalories of energy. Next is bodybuilding food or growth and development food, which helps in cell division, growth of bones, repair of body tissues. Example, milk, meat, egg, pulses. So they basically provide proteins to the body, and 1 gram of protein gives 4 kilocalories of energy. Next, the protective food is there. The food gives immunity to fight against the disease. We get it through vegetables because they are giving us various types of vitamins. Regulatory food is the food which helps in the digestion by continuously moving the stomach. Example, the vegetables and fruits, they provide us fibers. Now see the various types of deficiency diseases. Vitamin A causes night blindness, means poor vision and loss of vision at night. Vitamin B deficiency causes beriberi. This means fatigue and weak muscles. Vitamin C deficiency gives scurvy, means bleeding gums and delayed healing of wounds. Vitamin D deficiency gives rickets and weak bones. Calcium deficiency again means weak bones and tooth decay. Iodine deficiency gives goiter, which affects the mental disability. Iron deficiency gives anemia, which means weakness and low hemoglobin levels. Regulatory functions of the food. Regulatory functions are done by water and fiber because they help stomach keep moving and it helps in the digestion of food. Water helps to throw waste from the body. They help in the normal bowel movement and prevents the constipation. Sociological functions. Food is important for the social life. Various social events always include refreshment and feast. People of different religion, caste, they eat together and that brings the unity and the harmony in the country. Food is the expression of friendship. Mother serving the favorite dish means she is showing her affection towards you. What is the relation between food and health? Basically, there is a good nutrition. Good nutrition means that healthy persons are there who are eating balanced diet. Next is the malnutrition that gives rise to the unhealthy persons. Malnutrition means overnutrition or undernutrition. Either the food is taken too much, that is overnutrition. This gives obesity, hypertension, or the food is not taken in a sufficient quantity. This gives deficiency diseases like vitamin A deficiency causes night blindness. Now next, what is balanced diet? The diet which includes all the food groups, energy giving, bodybuilding, protective, regulatory food. Various processing methods for the taking the diet is germination, fermentation and combination. Let's talk about the germination means sprouting the food. This increases B complex, vitamin C, iron in many folds in the food. Fermentation, example milk to curd, rice plus dal give rise to idli, batter. Here the food becomes nutritious, easily digestible and more iron availability is there. Combination food like khichdi, dosa, kheer, where two types of food groups are combined together. Their advantages take that it increases the taste, more nutrients are available, digestibility is increased. Save nutrients during the cooking. As I already told you, use minimum amount of water, don't throw extra water, use pressure cooker while cooking, avoid reheating the food, don't use baking soda because it kills the B complexes, avoid overcooking of the food, it kills the proteins, and cook the vegetables in the closed vessels to preserve the nutrients. So with this, we are going to finish our second chapter, Food, Nutrition and the Health. Take care.